Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Christina.
And I'm Chris. This is Beyond the Build Oval Landing. And we have some kind of cool products we'd like to show y'all. This is a company called BackSeat Delete. They're out of the Houston, Texas area. I believe it's...
Is it Houston, Texas, or Fort Worth?
No, it's Houston. I believe it's Conroe.
Yeah, I think so.
Down there. Really nice guys working it, running it. Guy that's designing all this stuff, Mark, really nice stuff. We have, if you kind of look above us.
Well, let me jump out of the Jeep.
Okay. Can I give you a second?
Did you see what all we got going here?
So this is the roof molly panel. Real easy to put up. There's a brace that comes across the back of this right here. So there's actually little coat hanger hooks. So you can hang the coat hangers across here so they don't slide. It gives you a molly hookup. You can see it doesn't move. It is only attached on both sides by one bolt on each side, but there's a spine down the middle that keeps it rigid. So that's a really nice product there.
And we're going to do an install video on yours.
And we're about to do an install video of this one on mine. And if you look right here,
don't mind the cubby mess.
Well, you can kind of see what all you can put in the cubby mess. This is the back shelf. You have 3 different places back here, and it all just kind of hooks in here.
And you can take it off if you need to.
Yep. So this lifts off. It actually hooks back here behind your seat, where you have these bars for the
where you would hook a car seat.
No, I believe this is where your seat locks into place. What this is, what it hooks onto. So there's no bolting this in place or anything. You just take your seat out, you push this down, you push down to lock it. So that's a really nice product. And then they have a seat delete.
I've got the 4060.
This is the 4060.
They have 100%.
And they have 100. So we went with the 4060 because if somebody rides with us, if one of our grandkids come out with us or something, we want to be able to take, one of these out and put the seat back in it if we need to.
And the cubbies are really nice and big.
Yep. And you can see the thickness of the material right here. So this is really lightweight material, really good liner they put on it.
And you saw I was just sitting on it, so.
Yep, very sturdy. We actually added little hooks to the back here
for
the refrigerator to lock in place. So it's a really nice product.
And you have the bolts in each corner.
Yeah, so these are
the center.
These are the bolt holes that would go in place for your seats to be bolted to. So your seats bolt on the back corners and underneath. Yes. But with these particular seat deletes, you only use those existing back holes that your seats are in. So kind of give you an idea.
And it doesn't move around. It's very sturdy.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
Works out really good.
Deep.
But really nice product. Like I said, they do make 100% seat delete if you don't want to have 2 different ones. But really good product. But let's go over to my Jeep real quick, and I'm going to show you how we're going to install this real quick.
All right, let's go unbox and see. Okay, so here's the big box.
Here's the box. So we haven't opened it yet, so y'all can see exactly what comes in this box. If I can figure out how to open the box. I'll talk to him later.
Sorry about that, guys. Ooh-wee.
Yep. So you see it has nice thick foam material to keep it safe.
And we can show you the ridges now.
So we see. Yep, that's everything in the box. So nicely packaged.
I love the little logo on it.
So right here, you see it has these little gaskets on here. What this this sits in between the road cage and the metal, so it doesn't rattle while you go down the road. It keeps it nice and tight and safe. So I'll flip this over real quick.
And here's the ridges we were talking about for the hangers to fit in.
Here's the ridges. And you can see it's really nice. Here's
the
bolts that come with it. Don't mind the back of the bed. It's a little trashed out, but we cut that off.
We're getting ready for Expo again.
That's it. And then it comes with the 2 bolts that you need to hook these up. Now these work with a 9/16 sockets, open end. What I've done is taken 2 open ends, 1 ratchet, 1 regular, put 1 at the top, and then use the bottom one ratchet. So it works out. But if you'll come around here, I'll show you how we're going to install this real quick. Okay, so you're going to put the speaker cutout right here, obviously towards the front. And then if you have anything like I had this speaker mounted up here, go ahead and remove that and get it out of your way so it's not catching at all. So it's really easy to put it up. And I'm going to do it
Does it need to do 2 people, or can you do it with just 1 person?
You could do it by yourself.
Okay.
So I'm going to kind of do it backwards so you can see what I'm doing. I'm sliding it up over the roll bar here. If I can get it above the speaker. Oh, my bracket caught me. Okay. So I'm sliding it up over the roll bar. And I'm pulling it over far enough so I can push it back over on that side. And then you're not going to put it in this bolt right here. You're going to put it back here. This is the bolt you're going over. So you're just going to kind of...
You've got a wire right there.
Yep, the wire going across it?
No, the white one, yeah.
Yeah.
I was just letting you know before you try to bolt it down.
Thank you, thank you.
Yep.
Be careful with your wires.
Look how pretty that is.
I know, all the Molly matching. So, you get a nut in right here.
Hopefully they come out with this BackSeat delete wall kit.
That'd be nice.
And the front wall, the front panels, hopefully soon.
So we're just gonna raise this up. Going. So once you get this up there, you're gonna take your bolt, loosen it off, and your bolt's gonna go straight up. I've already got this one kind of set. Now the little foam gasket they have on this makes it a little tight. So you're gonna have to kind of finger it in a little bit. Once you get it kind of started, take your nut, put on top of the roll cage, and then you can tighten that down. If I get it started properly, there it goes. So I'm gonna do this to both sides. So I'm only finger tightening this right now, and so I can get it kind of lined up. You don't want to snug it down. So I'm gonna grab that other one real quick. Real quick. So like I said, if you can see right here, the hole I'm going into. And you're gonna make sure you go all the way through it. Once you get up there, you can kind of feel around. Oh, I am nowhere close. There it goes.
You can hear it click in.
Yep.
That's nice.
And I'm just going to tighten it up a little bit so it holds a gasket. That gasket will hold that nut in place. Oh, I'm sorry, the bolt in place. And then I'll take the nut and stick it on top. And tighten it down. So let me go grab some tools real quick and I'll get them all the way done. Okay, so like I said, it's 9/16. I typically use a regular open end and then a ratchet open end. You can use a regular open end and a socket if you want to, or really kind of whatever you want to do, as long as it will hold. Oop. Make sure you go the right direction. It helps.
So it's just as easy as 1, 2, 3 putting this in.
Yeah, not too bad. You know, what I've done this for a couple minutes between the unboxing and everything else.
Yeah, maybe 5 minutes tops doing it.
So that one's all the way tightened in.
And then
No big deal.
Come do this
now I can either put my radio back right there. I could remount the bracket and go up if I want to. So if I want to bring it further up, I can.
So in mine, I think we're gonna put
move
mine,
it wherever.
Are we gonna put mine here or back there?
I'm probably gonna put yours closer to the back.
Okay.
But it's really personal preference, whatever you want to do.
But mine's gonna be mounted up instead of down in the cubby.
Yeah.
Yay!
Yep, yours will be higher, so she has a problem right now with the radio being muffled with stuff on top of it, so getting it higher will help. But I'm Chris with Beyond the Build Overlanding, and like I said, this is BackSeat Delete is who makes this product. Really nice product. They make all kinds of stuff with Gladiators and JLs. So check them out. We'll throw up a link on the bottom of the page for their website. And y'all have a good day. Talk to you later.
Remember to like, share, follow, and subscribe.
Please do. Thank you so much.